Today, we would like to explain how to make coffee using the Adesso mini machine. Position your Adesso mini machine on a solid and horizontal surface close to a power socket. Fill the tank with water before connecting the machine. You can remove the tank to fill it, but we recommend using a bottle or a jug to make pouring the water easier. Next, connect the cable to the power socket. Turn on the machine by pressing the main switch, and the indicator light on the switch will come on. The water will heat to the optimum temperature in a few moments. If you are using the machine for the first time, we recommend that you do a circle with hot water. Place a cup or glass under the spout. Press the button to start the water flowing, and allow the cup to fill with water before pressing the button again to stop the flow. Your machine is now ready to make coffee. Now we insert an Adesso coffee capsule. You can choose between Adesso Esclusivo 100% Arabica, the classic Adesso blend used in Italian cafes, or Adesso decaffeinated coffee. The Adesso machine only makes a perfect espresso with the Adesso capsules. The use of different capsules damages the machine and voids the guarantee. Next, open the Adesso capsule sachet. Lift the lever and insert the capsule into the compartment. Lower the lever and place a cup under the coffee spout. Pressing the brew button starts the coffee brewing process. You can brew a ristretto, long or short coffee. When the desired amount of coffee has been made, press the button again to stop brewing. If you want to place a larger cup under the spout, you can turn the position of the grill. The drawer for used capsules can hold around 10 capsules, and we recommend you empty it frequently. To keep your machine in a good condition, we also recommend you use a water softener in the water tank.